I started conducting these awareness sessions starting early 2013. During one of the initial sessions, it was a session for about 20 women employees. One question that I asked as an icebreaker to begin the session was, could you share your own experience as to what kind of sexual harassment you have experienced and what is the action that you took? Need not be in that specific workplace, but during the course of your lifetime. It was quite eye-opener. It was an eye-opener. It was quite overwhelming. Women shared stories ranging from inappropriate staring to a point where a woman shared that when she was 9 years old, when she went to the shop to buy something, the shopkeeper groped her. So every woman in that room that day had their own story about sexual harassment. So that is when I realized that there is a lot to be done in this space, and individually, only me may not be sufficient. So that is when I thought about having more team members, reaching out to more workplaces, mainly doing it in a systematic manner. And also, the legislation that I'm talking about, it is the Law of the Land from 9th December 2030. So under this legislation, it is mandatory that each and every workplace, wherever there are more than 10 employees, should and must constitute a committee called as the internal committee, should and must conduct such kind of awareness sessions for all the employees. It is the duty of the employer to display the name and contact details of the members of the committee to conduct such kind of awareness sessions. And if the employer fails to comply with the provisions of this law, it would lead to penal consequences. 50,000 rupees penalty, and for non-compliance double the amount, or registration or license of the organization will be withdrawn or cancelled. So considering that this is a mandatory compliance requirement, there was a huge scope. So that was the starting point, mainly the realization that in India, every woman has her own story, her own experience.